Kajeno ke letsatsi la go qetela la go keteka kgwedi ya basadi Afrika Borwa. E boetse hape ke letsatsi la Afrika la go keteka meriana ya setso. Na ma-Afrika a dumela tshebediso ya meriana ya setso? Pejana re buisana le Mkhulu Khumbuzile Mavundo eo e leng ngaka ya setso ebile e le mosebeletsi wa SABC lefapheng la ditaba tsa radio. Ha re wamele Mkhulu Mavundo ditabeng tsa Sesotho.
Thokozani Khehla ngiyabonga nami ukuba la ekhaya.
Mkhulu. Kajeno ke letsatsi la Afrika mo keteka meriana ya setso. E ka ba letsatsi le bolela eng ho dingaka tsa setso le ho runa batho ka kakaretso?
Mkhulu ngokubona kwami letsatsi le bohlokwa haholo gore ibe letsatsi e leng gore as rona dingaka we go out there re kopane re rute batho ka the importance ya moriana wa setho and bogologolo re sebedisane le dingaka tse ding re sebedisane le hulumeni wa rona hore a re thuse gore re create these awareness programs and also the workshops tsa ho ruta batho ka meriana ya setso.
Impan how sheba ona jena just in general awareness bathong e jwang?
I can say batho ba sebedisa meriana ya setho. I mean ha ke sheba a research eleng gore yentswe ke the World Health Organization leona I rifa bopaki ba gore batho ba sebedisa meriana ya setho. I mean 80% of the population in the African continent uses meriana ya setho. So ya o bontsha ntwe gore ka nnete batho ba believela ko merianeng ya setho. And I can also add gore I can safely say 70% of the patients selling gore diatla konna di tlokupa thuso they're young and that's encouraging. Yes.
Usually Mkhulu hona le bothata bona ba coronavirus matsatsing ana e leng lefu le leng le bolaya batho ka bongata e ka ba ke fim karolo ba palwang ke meriana ya setso boemong bo ba coronavirus?
Khehla ikhona imithi ngoba angithi siyazi ukuthi lesifo so COVID sila ngaphakathi emaphashini kisifuba si affecta sifuba ikhona imithi yesintu esebenza lokho njengomhlonyane lo sodume kakhulu dala wabakhona umhlonyane awufiki namhlanje ikhona ke neminye ekhona njenge gum tree ngithi uyayibona i gum tree those tall trees usebenzisa makala awona khufutha that helps to assist in kibayibisang respiratory infection ehubula sifuba sa gago
jwale Mkhulu mpolelle he jwale hobane wale meriana setso e a sebetsa ho thusa COVID le sebedisana jwale le lefapha la bophelo la naha tshebedisano e ka ba iteng tshebedisano le dingaka tsa sekgowa le luna dingaka tsa setso le lefapha la bophelo naheng?
Hey, it's still a long way. It's still a long way, but I'm encouraged ka gore there is a committee go World Health Organization which is working with the World Health Organization the traditional healers practitioners who are trying to put together guidelines and policies in how to fight this pandemic. I'm very encouraged about that step. I see a brighter future in khusebedisana between traditional healers and the Western doctors, but it's still a long way though. It's still a long way. Mosebetsi o mongata ile gore o tlamele wetsiwe
ho bane jwale sa dumelwana na meriana sekgowa ke yona e betero feta meriana setso?
Mkhulu meriana ya sekgowa ietswa ka yona meriana ya setso akere ba sebedisa ba reking methapo ya difate ba sebedisa matlalo a difate go sebedisiwa makala a difate and then it's packaged in such a way that when you buy it it's presentable and ya amogelega mara ya ka e ke ikentseng ko plasticing e brown wa itshogela right nkare ha siyo you know
Mkhulu batse mna ha re qetela fela Mkhulu umpolelle ho baneng Mkhulu?
Okay
ha go sanyane fela
okay Mkhulu ngihamba nekhehla kena eleng gore wa etela pili ki my grandfather paternal side.
Oh, yes.
So ku traditional healing or ngithe bungomeni ha o tlojwa ntwaso bana le gore ke letsatso la gago la go shwa ilanga lakho lokufa go tsho gore go shwa nna ke Khumbuzile Thabethe by birth, but go shwa Khumbuzile Thabethe on that day go tsoga mavundo lomkhulu ongiphethe ke yena angilawulang uyena ongilawulayo uyena ongihambela phambili engisebenza ngaye yebo yiko ngibizwa ngomkhulu mavundo.
Ha re le bue mkhulu mavundo ka hlalosetso eo re le buile haholo ka hore fana kwa ha o ditabeng tsena tsa rona tsa Sesotho.
Thokozani Khehla ngiyabonga.
Go.
Akwandi.
Awade.